Finding the best rice cooker in 2026 can be incredibly overwhelming for buyers. Today, we will explore the top rice cookers worth buying for your kitchen. We tested their performance, design, and overall value to find the perfect match. Let us dive right into the ultimate countdown of the best models today. Coming in at number 5 is the highly rated TOSHIBA OriginTaste rice cooker. This appliance features a sleek, durable, non-stick inner pot with a premium finish. It boasts advanced smart heating functions and multiple settings for perfectly cooked grains. Watch how it evenly cooks fluffy, restaurant-quality rice without burning the bottom. Imagine easily preparing a large family dinner with this gorgeous countertop kitchen companion. You will save valuable cooking time while enjoying consistently delicious and flawless meals. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup effortlessly quick, which is a massive daily advantage. However, the larger footprint might take up slightly too much limited counter space. This is truly ideal for larger families who prioritize convenient, perfectly cooked dinners. Overall, the TOSHIBA OriginTaste delivers exceptional value and reliable performance for everyday use. Taking the 4th spot is the incredibly versatile CUCKOO Micom rice cooker model. It showcases a modern, intelligent digital display wrapped in a sturdy, elegant casing. This smart cooker utilizes an advanced programmable algorithm to optimize every single batch. Notice how quickly it adapts temperatures to yield incredibly soft, perfectly textured rice. It seamlessly fits into a busy morning routine for quick, wholesome family breakfasts. Users gain ultimate control over their cooking process with highly intuitive digital menus. The multifunctional capabilities allow you to steam vegetables and cook grains effortlessly everywhere. The complex interface may require a slight learning curve for absolute beginner cooks. This machine is perfect for tech enthusiasts who love precise, multifunctional kitchen gadgets. The CUCKOO Micom remains a brilliant investment for specialized, high-tech, modern cooking. Our 3rd place winner is the classic Zojirushi Rice Cooker NS-ZCC10 model. It features an iconic, functional shape with a convenient handle for easy transport. Neuro-fuzzy logic technology ensures the machine thinks and adjusts temperatures perfectly automatically. It consistently delivers flawless, restaurant-grade sushi rice with remarkable precision and minimal effort. Perfect for hosting weekend sushi nights, impressing your guests with authentic culinary results. You will never have to worry about undercooked or mushy rice ever again. The incredibly reliable temperature control guarantees fantastic consistency across years of daily usage. Keep in mind that cooking cycles are notably longer than standard budget models. Ideal for serious rice purists who demand authentic, cafe-quality texture every time. The Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 remains an undeniable legend in premium home rice cooking. Earning the runner-up position is the Zojirushi Micom 3-cup compact size. This ultra-compact device features a beautiful stainless steel finish that saves space. It packs powerful microcomputer technology into a tiny, highly efficient kitchen appliance profile. It brilliantly cooks smaller portions evenly ensuring perfectly fluffy grains without any waste. Imagine effortlessly making a quick, healthy dinner for two in your cozy apartment. You enjoy premium features while keeping your small kitchen completely uncluttered and organized. The clear LCD screen and simple menu make daily operation delightfully stress-free, always. Obviously, the small 3-cup capacity will not work for hosting large dinner parties. This compact powerhouse is absolutely perfect for college students or couples living alone. For small spaces, the Zojirushi Micom provides unmatched quality and truly lasting reliability. Finally, taking the absolute top spot is the incredible Cosori rice cooker today. It boasts a stunning stainless steel exterior and a professional, highly durable build. Advanced fuzzy logic technology pairs beautifully with multiple dedicated cooking functions and presets. It delivers absolute perfection, flawlessly balancing moisture and heat for superior rice texture. Elevate your daily meal prep by letting this amazing machine handle everything effortlessly. It transforms ordinary, everyday cooking into a luxurious, incredibly easy culinary household experience. The intuitive touch interface and fast cooking times outshine every other competitor here. It comes at a premium price point, but the investment is absolutely justified. This masterpiece is ideal for home chefs demanding the absolute best kitchen appliances. The Cosori rice cooker easily dominates 2026 as the ultimate kitchen upgrade choice. Every single cooker featured today offers incredible value for your unique kitchen needs. Choose the compact Zojirushi for apartments or the Cosori for ultimate professional performance. Check the links below to secure the absolute best prices on these models. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more expert kitchen reviews.